Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's open the settings because we will begin with customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So after entering the settings, we have to find the display. Let's tap on it. And now let's check this option, Eye Comfort Shield. Of course, you can turn on this option without any customization just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or dark or amber, not darker. And it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So of course you can leave it like this without any customization, but if you'd like to, just tap on Eye Comfort Shield, and as you can see we've got the color temperature section switcher, and here by going to the left we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible, I would say, and by going to the right, much warmer. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this one. What's more, we can set the schedule, so we can keep it always on, which means that you will have to turn on and off the Eye Comfort Shield manually every time. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will simply decide when the sunset and sunrise are probably network based, and you can custom it. So for example, after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the start time and the end time also. So maybe PM. Let's tap on done, and as you can see we've got the schedule and the screen is still with Eye Comfort Shield on, of course because we are between the start and end time, but let me turn it off. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature. So as I said, I'll show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and find the Eye Comfort Shield, which is right here. If for some reason it is not visible, no worries, just tap on this plus icon. You will be able to pick the buttons from available buttons, they will appear at the top. Just tap on them and they will be added to this panel. So right now Eye Comfort Shield is turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state, or keep it turned on just like that. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the Eye Comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.